So class, our next question, find the upper speed limit while the road is planned. So इसके पहले अपन डिस्कस किया था लोअर स्पीड लिमिट, right? So now we will discuss the upper speed limit. So this is the bank road, angle of banking is theta, and this is a car. Now your car is moving with a higher speed. Now your car is moving with a higher speed. So what happened? This is your bank road, and now the car is moving with a very upper higher speed. So what happened if the car is moving with a very higher speed? So ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर स्पीड में कार मूव करेगी तो कार आपकी देखो बाहर की तरफ फेंकी जाएगी. कहाँ जाएगी? बाहर की तरफ फेंकी जाएगी, बराबर टर्निंग लेते हुए. बट रोड बैंक होने के कारण वो बराबर बैलेंस रहेंगी. बट now we have to find the maximum speed. Now we have to find the maximum speed of the car. तो उससे भी ज़्यादा आपने गाड़ी चलाई स्पीड से तो गाड़ी तो आपकी बाहर चली जाएगी, ठीक है. So what happened if the car is moving like this, and so car is moving very higher speed. So what happened? So frictional force is acting in a inward direction. Friction force acting in a inward direction. बिकॉज आपकी कार कहाँ फेंकी जा रही भाई? बाहर की तरफ फेंकी जा रही. मतलब आपकी कार जाएगी बाहर की तरफ, इधर जाएंगे जोर से अगर लेके जाओगे तो आपकी कार बाहर की तरफ फेंके जाओगे. तो टायर और कार के बीच में जो फोर्स रहेगा वो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स रहेगा, वो दैट इज एफ इज इन अ इनवर्ड डायरेक्शन, राइट. सो योर फेवरेट फोर्स दैट इज अ परपेंडिकुलर, दैट फोर्स इज कॉल्ड एज अ नॉर्मल, एंड this is the weight Fg is acting vertically downward. So now we will make the component of each and every force. So normal is going like this, so make a component. If this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. So this is a n cos theta, and this is n sin theta, right? So make the component of a Fs. See, Fs is going like this. So component of Fs is one is like this and another one is like this, right? So if this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. So that is Fs cos theta, and this is Fs sin theta. Now apply the balance condition. So upward force is equals to the downward force, and left wala force is equals to the right wala force. Now apply the balance condition. So see, ऊपर वाला फोर्स that is n cos theta is equals to नीचे वाला फोर्स that is Fs sin theta plus mg. So rewrite this. I will rewrite this equation. So n cos theta minus Fs sin theta is equals to mg. This is the equation number 1, right? Now apply another balance condition. Left hand side force is equals to right hand side force. So n sin theta plus Fs cos theta is equals to mv square upon r. This is the equation number 2. Now take the ratio 2 upon 1. So we will get n cos theta. N sin theta plus Fs cos theta equals to mv square upon r upon mg, that is here. So 2 upon 1, that is the n cos theta minus Fs sin theta. Now divide each term by n cos theta, जैसे पिछले बार किया था वैसे. So dividing n cos theta, so n get cancel. Sin upon cos, that is a tan, plus mu upon n cos theta, the Fs upon n cos get cancelled, so we will get mu, right, upon 1 minus mu tan theta equals to mm get cancelled, that is a v square upon rg. ठीक है. अब इसको m cos थीटा से सेपरेटली क्या कर लो, डिवाइड कर लो, आपको ये मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. सो वेलोसिटी स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू rg into tan theta plus mu upon 1 minus mu tan theta. So this is the velocity maximum. This is the velocity maximum, right? 1 minus mu tan theta. If, now the condition, if, so case number 1, if friction force is 0, that is the coefficient of mu be the coefficient of friction. If the coefficient of friction is 0, then the V max equals to Rg into tan theta plus 0 upon 1 minus 0. So V max equals to, that is in under root, sorry, under root. So V max is equals to under root of Rg tan theta, right? This is the case number 1 and this is the case number 2. If the road is horizontal, that is the theta is equals to 0 and tan 0 is equals to 0. So V max is equals to under root of Rg into tan 0 plus mu upon 1 minus 0. So we will get V max equals to under root of mu Rg. This is the mu Rg. So आप इसको एक बार अच्छे से लिख लो, ठीक है?